Today we'll learn something new for Facebook ads. Friends, almost everyone uses Instagram. And Instagram is a very important social media platform. So it's very common that thousands of people visit Instagram account profiles, right? Some people have a large or small follower base or typically acquired through ads or various methods. But what happens if a viewer comes there? If they've viewed it, it means now they know our brand and company. They've seen and a connection is made. What if they leave immediately? We need to make use of that data, right? So how can we create a custom audience? How can we capture all that data? Then with that data, we can show them our ads at any time. We can then easily engage with them, with our brand. So how will all of this happen? It will happen once you create a custom audience, and then whoever visits your Instagram account profile, all activity will be tracked. I'll practically show you how, so learn carefully step by step. Look here, my Facebook page is open. Now I will go to my Meta Business Suite account. Okay? In the Meta Business Suite account, we'll click on All Tools, then on Adverts Manager. This is how I'll proceed to my Facebook account, which is my business portfolio account that I've created, which we used to call the Business Manager account. So I have multiple accounts, so I'll just choose one of them, the Marketing Fundas business account one. I've selected it. I have chosen the ad account that I generally use to create advertisements for teaching you all. So my ad account dashboard is open. I'll go to the 3 lines icon. Look, you can see the audiences option. I'll click right here. I've clicked the audiences option. Look here, I have already taught you all how to create several types of audience in this course. Now I will click on create audience, then go to custom audience, and here, not your sources but meta sources. Under meta sources, you'll see the Instagram account option. We are going to click right here. Instagram account, then next. Look here in the Instagram account center, you can choose to meet any of the following criteria. Or maybe it's all. Okay, so I'm going to select all here. Okay. My marketing fundus page. Okay, you can see it right here on your screen. This is my Instagram account. The account is displayed. Why is it showing? It's because I've already connected my Facebook page with my Instagram account. Friends, if you want to run Instagram ads, your Facebook page must be linked to your Instagram account. Only then can you perform these actions. So it's connected here. Under events, we have everyone who engaged with this professional account. Or how about everyone who started following this professional account? Anyone who visited the professional account's profile. Okay, so it gives you several options here. For instance, targeting only the people who have sent you a message. Or you could target people who have saved one of your posts. For this purpose, we are now selecting everyone who engaged with our account, either by just visiting or taking any other action. Because it's precious data, I have selected the retention period. This means that data from the last 365 days will be gathered. You can adjust this. Let's give the audience a name. We'll call it Instagram. Okay. Visitors. Custom audience. List. Okay. Now we will just click on create audience here. And there we go. A message says your custom audience was created. Done. Now what's the best part here? Look, all this data has appeared. It's right here. My list has been created. Now this list displays an audience size below 1000, and that's because we have just created this custom audience, you see. Now, because the tracking will start now, and as I've told you all, for this to work, your pixel and everything else should be connected, okay? We've also already taught you all about that in other videos in this course. So currently this audience that we've created is below 1000. But now that we have connected it, all the visitors who go to our Instagram account, whatever they do, even if they visit and leave, so all the data will be gathered. Once that data reaches 1000 or more, we can do proper targeting and also create lookalike audiences and run ads. Another custom audience list has been created. In this way, you can now target your Instagram audience and also do remarketing. I hope you'll be able to create this and you are learning Facebook ads.